Hi there, I'm Shelley and Sep's behind the camera.
What?
And today we're going to show you how to make these towers for our castle. And if you haven't seen the video on how to make the castle, then take a look at that. It's linked below in the description. Here is everything you need for this project. It's 6 different types of wood, plus a template to cut out the door. The exact measurements are written down below in the description, so take a look at that. To start this project, we're going to make the top of the tower first with the battlements and underneath a little piece of wood. We need for this project then, we need the large piece that's 17 times 17 centimetres plus the small piece, this is this piece underneath, 9 times 9 centimetres, plus we need the 2 sides, these are 13.5 centimetres times 3 centimetres, and here the 17 centimetres times 3 centimetres plus the battlements, there are 12 of them, they're the 3 centimetres by 2.5 centimetres. We're going to take the 17 centimetres times 3 centimetres and place here the battlements on top of here, making sure that the 2 outside battlements are level with the piece of wood. We're going to do that on both pieces of wood, and 4 battlements are placed and screwed on top. We're now going to take the 13 centimetres times 3 centimetres and place just 2 battlements on, evenly spacing them out so that they look okay. And then we're just going to mark left and right, and we're going to do that with both pieces of wood that we had, and then we're going to screw these battlements into position. Now we're going to screw our battlements into position. Here are the 2 longer battlements with 17 centimetres. They're going to go on here, and these shorter battlements go in between. What we've got to do is measure from the outside 3.5 centimetres in and 1 centimetre up, and that's where we're going to drill our hole. Now we're going to take the piece that we've just finished, that's the top of the tower, turn it over, and we've got this piece of wood that's 9 times 9 centimetres. This is going to be screwed on the top here, on the base here. It's 4 centimetres in from both sides. Now we're going to make the tower part of the castle. This is the 40, we've got 4 pieces of 40 times 13 centimetres times 2 centimetres, plus we've got the 9 times 9 centimetres times 2 centimetres. Each piece of wood has to be sawed at a 45-degree angle on the left and on the right so that you get this shape. We sawed this with the tabletop saw. To start, we're going to do this side of the tower. We're going to place the piece of wood so that the smallest bit, not the widest bit, is on this is the inside. We're going to cut out from here, so we're going to mark on the inside of the tower. We're going to take our doorway, and we're going to first of all middle it out, make sure it's in the centre, and draw around it. Once we've done that, we can measure from the bottom up to the top 30 centimeters. We'll make a mark on the left and on the right of the piece of wood, join them with a light pencil mark together, and then we can take our doorway, fold it exactly in half so that this point is exactly here, fold and crease this piece, then we can place our line here on the pencil line, place it in the middle and draw around it, so that then we then have a window. On 2 pieces of the panels, we're going to cut out just 2 windows at 30 centimeters. We measure up 30 centimeters, draw our line and draw around the window again. And on the last panel, we're going to cut out the doorway higher up. That's at 24 centimeters. If you've done everything right, this is how all the pieces of wood should look like now. Now we're going to drill by 23 centimeters up, and in the middle from each of these pieces of wood, we're going to drill a hole. This is then to fix this piece of wood into place. This will be inside here. I'm going to turn all 4 pieces over so that they're on the right side now, and they're going to be joined together with a piece of sellotape. It's important to make sure that all the pieces are level with one another at the bottom so that the tower then stands. We start with one and place just a little bit of tape on, and then we carry on to the next pieces. What's important to notice, if you're going to make 2 towers for the castle, you need to have one tower on the left hand side of the castle and the other tower on the right hand side of the castle. This highest one tower we have to do like this, with a window, with a door opening. Here are just the door opening in the air and a window. And then on the other one, you have to swap the 2 middle pieces round, so that then we've got one that goes on the left side of the castle and one that goes on the right side of the castle. They're all joined together exactly the same, and at the finish they will be joined across the top and bottom with 2 complete pieces of tape. The final part of building the tower is to put this floor in. This goes in here. It's the 9 times 9 times 2 centimeter piece of wood. It goes in and it goes here, level with this opening here. Push it right down. It needs 2 of you. One of you holds this into position while the other screws into the holes that we've already drilled. We will see you in a couple of weeks' time. I hope you've enjoyed the film, but stay to the end till you see the finished castle. Bye bye.